everyone, welcome to your PhD Global. And if you guys are also targeting your PhD in mechanical and electrical background, and you want to do that basically from different regions, different countries of this world, basically, so you can prepare and you can get this PhD position through your PhD Global, right? So there is one more amazing PhD position, has been came out in mechanical and electrical background. Let me just share with you this information by sharing my screen as well. As you can see, guys, this is in solid state lithium sulfur batteries at Newcastle University with a PhD studentship, right? That is 100% fees covered for 4 years and a minimum tax-free annual living allowance of this. As you can see on the screen. Lord, for the full detailed description, you can go to this link on LinkedIn basically. And application deadline is 10th of February 2025. Okay. So this is the official website of university from where you can get applied. And you can get this link or this information in the description box as well so that you can apply. And if you want full, I would say, mentorship and guidance session for this, how to get this PhD position in this kind of, I would say, field that is mechanical and electrical field, you can reach out to your Peter Global, one of the best platform, which is making you, go to your dream country in these kinds of big, I would say, doctoral program, right? That is PhD in mechanical and electrical. All the very best, guys.